Hi students. So if you remember from the last video, we had Latanya and George and they are trying to save money to buy bicycles. So we went ahead and we wrote equations for them, but now when are they going to both have the same amount of money? So when you think about these equations, our x's and our y's stand for the same thing. Our y's are total money and our x's are the amount of weeks. So if I was to write Latanya, so Latanya is 30x plus 50, and that equals y, so her total amount of money. And we want to figure out when George's y, so his total amount of money, is equal to Latanya's. So what if I went ahead and wrote it like this? Do you see how right here our y's overlap? And that totally makes sense because they are talking about the same thing, the total amount of money. And we want to figure out when Latanya and George have the same amount of money. So all I really need to do is if I was to erase those y's and just make these two equations equal to each other, then I'm going to find out how many weeks it takes for them to have the same amount of money. So if you were to go ahead and solve this, they call it the equal values method. I call it solving equations. Get your x's on the same side. So I'm going to move the 25, so you subtract 25 from both sides. So over here you have 5x plus 50 still. And that's going to equal now just 75. Move the 50, so we subtract 50 from both sides. I'm going to run out of room, so I'm going to come over here. So 5x is going to equal 25, which means that divide by 5, which means that x has to equal 5. And in terms of our problem, that's the number of weeks. So in 5 weeks, they're going to have the same amount of money. But how much money is that? Well, I don't know. We have to plug that back in to figure out how much money they're going to have. So you can pick either equation, and if you plug it into both, they're both going to work. So if y equals 30 times this 5 weeks plus 50, okay, so 30 times 5 is 150 plus 50, sorry, my finger got weird. So she's going to have a total of $200. And I guarantee you, if you were to plug that in for George, so y equals 25 times 5 plus 75, you would also get y equals 200. So that means the total amount of money they have is $200.